And now for the next, we'd like to invite here on the stage Mr. K. Ganesh, Senior General Manager, Corporate Affairs and CSR from Bisleri International Private Limited. Bisleri, a symbol of goodness, trust, purity. Bisleri has been a household name for decades, a leader in its category, most trusted brand in mineral water. Please welcome Mr. K. Ganesh. Please join us on the stage.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ganesh from Bisleri. So I'm just taking you to a different, because morning we were discussing on the ESG and the ESH. So I'm going to separate the different topic, CSR. So we are into packaged drinking water. So we have done lots of initiatives with respect to the sustainability of water, the plastics, and also for the health of our employees and also for the public. So I just wanted to quickly take you to our initiatives for the CSR. And we call CSR as our social responsibility in our organization because it's not a corporate social responsibility, we call it as our social responsibility because each and everyone has to put their responsibility to ensure that everything is like that. So Bisleri is the most trusted brand in India. See, for the packaged water, we are since 1969 and the leader and the most trusted brand water in the last 50 years. And symbol of goodness, trust, purity. Bisleri has been a household name for decades. So anyone want drinking water, packaged drinking water, they have a synonymous name of Bisleri. So any packaged drinking water, they know the name of Bisleri only. So 2019, we were the most trusted brand, #1 in the country. So we have a strong presence. We have 133 operational plants and we have a distribution network of around 3,700 distributors and 5,000 distribution trucks across the country. So we have been in the length and breadth of entire country and then we have been in all the states and union territories to say like. So our constant endeavor to provide customer with refreshing beverages, maybe the packaged drinking water, natural mineral water and also the soft drinks. Soft drinks is a fruit-based drinks. It's not a carbonated drinks. It's a fruit-based drinks. Apple and lemon and mango drinks. So this is our supply chain process. We are committed to provide customers pure, safe and healthy drinking water, which undergoes rigorous 10-stage process. Because the filtration process which we have in our plant is a 10-stage filtration process, and we do 114 tests, quality tests before the water is going to the market, to the country. So we also have one of the high-tech innovations by launching this Asia's and the first of its kind vertical mineral water plant in India. Because this plant has a -2 and 5 floors. So we have a plant that has different floors, and this is one of its kind for a packaged drinking water and also for the other industries and the FMCG industries. So Bisleri, we have 3 basic pillars. Maybe 4th pillar is also there. I'll explain you for the 3 basic pillars. One is the health, then the environment, next is the water conservation. The health. So Bisleri Charitable Trust and Ozone Forum of India have come together to pass the benefits of ozone therapy. So ozone is a natural therapy. I think if someone knows about ozone therapy, it's a natural therapy. It doesn't have any reactions and it is internationally proven and it is done in many countries. So we have trained many doctors and it has reached to more than 3 lakh patients. And in Bisleri head office, we have a separate floor, dedicated floor for this ozone treatment alone. And also we have now started setting up this ozone treatment centers in various parts of the country. So these are the benefits of ozone therapy. So this is the environment thing. So I just wanted to play a small video.
Mr. Ramesh Chauhan, Chairman of Bisleri, has been propagating the idea of recycling used plastic since 1990. He strongly believes that all plastics have to be recycled. If left unattended, it will only fill the dump yards and become an eyesore. Back in 1990, all Bisleri plants imported recycling machine from Japan, encouraged rag pickers of the surrounding areas to collect PET bottles and bring them to the plant for a monetary value in exchange. Hence, the value for waste concept took shape many years ago at Bisleri. For decades, Bisleri has been pioneering the concept of plastic is not waste, it is a valuable resource for recycling. But just collecting plastic wasn't enough. With its initiative, Bottles for Change, Bisleri took a giant step forward in dealing with the alarming plastic pollution problem. The idea behind the Bottles for Change initiative was to create a circular economy right from the doorstep, which was inspired by the newspaper recycling model that has been working across India for many decades. Just as old newspaper is not waste, it has value. Plastic also has value after use. India is recycling more than 60% of its plastic produced. We are blessed to have a robust collection mechanism through rag pickers, safai karmcharis, kabani walas, aggregators and recyclers. In spite of this system, we see plastic litter on the roads, in the rivers, seas and nalas. Why? Because of bad disposal habits. Citizens don't see value in plastic after use. It's waste, the end of the value chain for them. Bottles for Change model sees plastic as a recyclable resource and gives value for all plastic if they are clean, dry and segregated into soft and hard plastic. The model creates awareness in housing societies, schools, colleges, small and large corporates, hotels and restaurants to clean used plastic, segregate and send all their plastics for recycling rather than throwing them in the waste. As a result of this continuous effort of awareness on used plastic management, more than 800 housing societies, 400 schools and colleges, 500 corporates and 9 corporations in 7 cities have enrolled in the program. We have collected more than 6,500 tons of used plastic. Next important step was to build an exclusive sorting center for used plastic. The space for this exclusive sorting center is donated by the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, K East Ward, and is managed in association with Dalmia Polypro Industries Limited, our recycling partner. This center has all the basic facilities, clean and safe environment for the people working there. The model has envisioned that this would be the future of used plastic collection and sorting center. From the sorting center, the plastic bales are sent to recyclers. This model maintains end-to-end traceability of plastic collected from every source with a robust back-end and front-end integrated platform in the form of an easy-to-use app. Every household that enrolls in the program downloads the Bottles for Change app. Once a significant quantity of clean plastic has been collected, the stakeholder can spot their nearest plastic agent in their area. The agent or the kabadiwala will accept the request and a notification of the collection schedule will be sent to the user. The collection agent will weigh and give a decided value for soft and hard plastic as per the quantity to the user. This model is providing better value for each partner in the chain, from Safai Karmchari or the housekeeping staff to the aggregator to the recycler. Every person in the chain gets a better value as the plastic which is handheld is clean and easy to segregate. Plastic agents who were once rag pickers working in filthy landfills and garbage on the streets are now collecting and sorting used plastic that is clean. This model has brought a huge change to them and their families by providing them with the opportunity to earn more and work in a safer and cleaner environment. We experienced that there was a visible and positive change in the citizens' mindset. Everyone wants to contribute towards better and cleaner environment. Bottles for Change model acted as a platform to make them think differently about plastic and waste management. This model can tackle the waste management problem of today and is completely scalable to different parts of the country.
गंदा प्लास्टिक में हाथ डाल के अलग अलग प्लास्टिक निकाल के उसे बेचकर मैं अपना हम लोग प्लास्टिक यूज करके ऐसे ही फेंक देते हैं, लेकिन प्लास्टिक साफ करके अलग रख के वो रिसाइकल को देते हैं तो वो अच्छा रहता है, वो एक वरदान ही रहेगा।
मॉडल फॉर चेंज जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, जो सोर्स एग्रीगेशन में बिलीव करता है, जो एक कंज्यूमर से, इंडस्ट्री से पूरा यूज प्लास्टिक को एक चैनल के थ्रू एक वैल्यू पे करने के बाद जो हमें मिलता है क्लीन प्लास्टिक, वो एक अच्छा मॉडल है। उससे क्या है कि हमारे जो मार्जिन्स जो हमें मिलते हैं, जो कि क्लीन प्लास्टिक के रूप में हमें मिलते हैं, जिससे हमारी कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कम होती है, तो वही हम लोग रिवर्स फॉर्म में इन कस्टमर्स तक भी पहुंचा सकते हैं बाय सेम चेंज।
We aim to eliminate dump yards and landfills and to make Bharat Swachh in its true sense, to bring to reality our PM's dream of Swachh and Swasth Bharat.
Because this plastic waste management has become a big topic in not only in India, global, worldwide also. So just thought of just putting this because this is one of our big initiatives, the Bottle for Change, wherein we are reaching each and every districts and cities and the states. So we are educating the people how they should dispose the plastics so that it gets recycled and get reused actually. Because the plastic which we are using in Bisleri is 100% recyclable and it is 95% recycled. So we wanted to take it to a circular economy so that we will have a good environment. So these are the impact from the Bottle for Changes. We have reached around 7 cities and we have around 6 lakhs plus citizens has been reached to this program, and we have been to schools, colleges, participated in events, corporates, hotels. Then we have collected through this initiative around metric tons, and corporate partners are also enrolled with us. So we are going strong. And in addition to that, we also have a model of collecting through the waste management agencies. And we as a company is a plastic neutral company with the financial year 21-22. We had collected whatever plastics we have put in the market. So we are aiming at to maintain the 100% and maintain the sustainability with that. So we'll go to the next topic. This is water conservation. We not only work on plastic, we also work on the water conservation. So we know that water is the driving force of all our natures. Without water, we cannot live. So I have a small video to play here because water also we had adopted some ponds in different states and also rainwater harvesting.
खायची हालत होती, खायचा अनाज नाही मिळत होता, घरी पैसा नाही मिळत होता,
पेल्यामध्ये पाणी नसतं तर आम्ही बोरीवर जायचं, बहुत दूर जायचं, आम्हाला मग दुधाच्या नाचून खर्च.
पैसा आम्हाला मिळतो, खेती करून कशीने पैसा पोहोचतो, आम्हाला कशी चालत आहे, मग दवाखान्यात जाऊन कसं पैसा चालत आम्हाला, मग बडी कामची हालत निघली आता तर तुमच्याच के पास जातो.
So we have completed and then we have constructed some check dams in Maharashtra and Gujarat, and also we renovated some of the check dams. So this has helped to well, many farmers to say like, because there were 1,800 families and more than 11,000 people has been benefited. So early they were cultivating 1 or 2 crops, now they started cultivating 2 to 3 crops. In addition to that, as I mentioned earlier, we also have the rainwater harvesting system in all our plants, and we are adopting ponds in different states. So we are again here in water also, we are a water positive company. Whatever water we are taking, we are giving it back to the mother earth. So as a responsible company, plastics and water, both whatever we are putting, we are taking it back, and we wanted to maintain that, and we wanted to ensure that all the each and every one are working on this, so that each and everything, because environment is a very, very important thing like this. Yesterday also in the UN, it was declared that the healthy environment is the human right. So this was the thing yesterday, it was declared in the UN. So with that, I just wanted to again tell that. So this environment is a very important subject to say like. So for which each and every company, not only taking care of the company internal activities with respect to the safety and other thing, because this is also going to be a safety part, because this is, if the pollutant is going to come outside the factory, so again it's going to disturb the health of the people and the society. So with that, I thanks Jesus for giving this opportunity to give me a presentation on this. Thank you so much.